two unassailable truths about chicken wings. One, the flats way better than the drums, and two, they taste way better when they're spinning. Couple quick pointers on the Joetisserie. You got our left table is down. That's so that we can handle our power unit here. Then the front of that pie shape where it says Joetisserie, you want that really well centered on your front latch here. That's going to ensure that you're evenly spaced. And then for me, when I build this up, if you've got a 3 series, you can put in that charcoal divider in the basket and just go in the back. If you've got a 2 or a 1, just bank your charcoal up the back so you don't have a full charcoal basket. I made a picanha once that overcooked in the center because there was too much heat coming right down this middle line. So you want your fire towards the back in a nice bank. We've stabilized at 350. I want to show you the vent settings here. We're a little under the first hash up top, and then down below about a finger's width, and that's probably hotter than what you're used to. And you got to remember that you've got additional airflow coming in off the Joetisserie in the side there, so just make sure that you're monitoring this cook. The temperature will go up over the next hour, so be sure we don't shoot too high. 400 is okay, don't go over that. We've got our basket set up over an oven-safe tray that I lined with tinfoil just to catch all the juice that's about to drop out. And then we're gonna get our chicken pieces into the basket. They marinated overnight in some mojo sauce. Then we're gonna get these all spread out. You're definitely gonna want to marinate these overnight because this style of cooking tends to strip away a lot of the seasonings that you see here. So you just gotta make sure that you're ready to hit it with a delicious sauce after, like we're going to do. Then we'll get our lid on. And then you wanna make sure that you really tighten down on that long spit so that this doesn't spin on you. And we set this ahead of time, centered this on the Joetisserie, so we knew that this whole construct will be centered. Whenever I spin meat, I really like to have a drip pan underneath here to catch a lot of that delicious drippings that come down. So here we got some beef tallow. I'm gonna drop in some fingerling potatoes. And then we've got 1 sweet onion chopped up. And then we'll top that with some olive oil, kosher salt, fresh pepper, some rosemary from the garden, and then we'll give that a good mix. Next, we're going to drop our potatoes and onions right down here. Make sure you have heat-resistant gloves and you're very careful. We'll give this a couple stirs throughout the next hour. And now we've got our chicken basket. And you just kind of turn that until it fits into your slot. Turn her on. And this is going to go for 1 hour about. We're 40 minutes in. Smells awesome already. I'll go ahead and give the onions and potatoes a little stir here. To show you what we're looking for, we want to see the skin starting to kind of like sizzle as it's frying in its own fat, essentially. So we probably have another 30 minutes to go here on that. And then just note, if you're going to spin things underneath, it's going to be hotter closer to the coals than towards the back. So just move your veggies around as needed. We're an hour 20 in. Usually it's take anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half. You want to start checking at the hour mark, but you see really nice charring, nice color here. And then you're starting to see a little bubbling in the skin itself. That means that the wings are done. They look beautiful. They smell beautiful. We're going to get them off the heat now. But this is what we're looking for. We want some nice browning and a little bit of like bubbling to the skin. Next, we're going to start to make a garlic butter. So we've got ghee. So this is just clarified butter. We're going to melt that over the lowest temperature we have on our stovetop. And I'm going to add in 4 cloves of garlic. And we're going to let that slowly come together about 15-20 minutes. Now you want to move pretty quick while these are hot. We're going to get these dressed up with some fresh squeezed lemon and our clarified garlic butter. And then we'll give this a mix to bring it all together. And then for the final touch, I like to get a microplaner and a fresh block of Parmesan cheese and just go hard on this beautiful chicken. So that's lemon, garlic, clarified butter, fresh Parmesan. That's a heck of a dish right there. We got our wings, we got our potatoes, going in for the first Parmesan-y bite. Outstanding. Oh, smoky, crispy, tender. The lemon gives great acidity to it. Parmesan is super nice. The butter with the garlic, it's just a perfect bite. You're going to love them. If you guys like that, drop us a comment. If you've made these before and have some great tips, leave us a comment on that as well. Let us know how you do it. Thanks so much for watching.